Do you not like the new Google Dialer update? Do you want to back your old phone call screen? So in this video, I will show you the easiest way to how you can get back the old Google phone dialer. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. So let's get started. As you can see, my calling screen has completely changed after the update. This is the new Google phone dialer. But now I am going to restore the old phone dialer and show you how to use the old Google phone dialer again. So if you want to change the new phone dialer, then tap and hold on the phone dialer app on your home screen. Then tap on App Info from here. After that, tap on 3 dots at the top right corner. Then here you tap on Uninstall Updates. Then tap on OK to confirm it. Now here you tap on Storage and Cache. And finally tap on Clear Cache. Now if I go back to the phone dialer app, then you can see that it has changed back to the old Google phone dialer. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.